supposed to be conversant with this. So find the value of the PD. So you have been given V is what you are looking for. PD is V across a 25 ohm resistor. Across a 25 ohm resistor, R is equal to 25 across a 25 ohm resistor circuit of 1 ampere current passing through it. So I is equal to 1 ampere. You get that? So this will now give us, we recall that V is equal to IR. So I don't need to make anything subject to the formula, because this is V, this is R, and this is I. And this is the I, you get. So I will now know that V is equal to, what's my I? My I is 1 times R is 25. And this will be equal to what? 2.5. This is is volts. This 2.5 volt is potential difference that we're looking for. Okay, so this is 225 volts, 250 volts, 0.25 volts, 25 ampere. Now you see that the answer is option A. You still see a situation where examiners can make 4 answers to look alike. You understand? Somebody who is not good now might start saying, why? As in, you could come to a point where you are confused. But as I said, I've already given you the rules to it. So get used to calculations and know how you're going to go about it. All right. So that is that one. Now, let's take up another question before we go over to past questions. This is a typical past. This is another question we're going to be solving. Okay. We'll be solving this question. I'll be a little bit fast here now because I believe we are very good now. So what is the amount of, what amount of current? What amount of current? So it is I, we are looking for current, we don't know. Okay. In a circuit for which a 240 volt is applied. So V is equal to 240 volts to an electric heater of 60 ohms. So R is equal to 60 ohms. You get? All right. So recall that V is equal to IR. To make I subject to the formula, I don't need to start breaking it down again. We've passed that stage. So I will now be equal to V over R. You can find that up by yourself. Okay. We cannot be very slow. You need to be a little bit fast for exam purposes. So this is V. This is 240 over R is 60. So 0 will go here 0. So 24 over 6, okay, is going to give you 4. So the answer is 4 ampere because we are dealing with current. The answer is 4 ampere because we are dealing with current. So the answer is option A. So that is that. So more calculation will be going on. So I'll be saying, let's look at past questions before we call it a period for this very topic. Let's look at past questions. And please note, I want to use this past question to introduce something to you. Questions under electricity can be theory or calculation. Some years, theory